day has come. The day has come. Your boy, Light Skin HD, is finna cut his dreads today. No more dreads, Darian, man. Shit finna be crazy, bro. I had these dreads for about maybe like a year and a half now. A year and a half. And shoot, it had its ups and downs. I can't lie. It was fun, enjoyable, but yeah, it's about time for them to go. So without further ado, I'm gonna give y'all some reasons on why I wanna cut them and things of that nature. So let's get into it.
So much water on my neck, I need a bowl of some. So many different girls, I got a load of.
Yo, welcome back. So I just got out the shower, right? And I'm just drying it up with this towel on my head real quick. But one reason that I don't want my dreads no more is I had them for a minute. I had them for like a year and a half now. And
what are you doing with that?
Something that should have been done a long time ago.
No!
And I want to change it up. It's been like this long. I mean, I like it, but I gotta change it up. I need a different look. Number two, I just can't see. I'm gonna be real. Like,
they saying I drove a getaway car, but I cannot see. I'm legally blind. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. I'm innocent.
Come on this way.
like, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at my camera right now. I can barely see. I'm just seeing a bunch of strings in my face, hair strands, and things of that nature. So, yeah. So I just want to be able to see. Three, I mean, ball season coming soon. So if I do hoop for real, if I do, I mean, I want to be able to see the court and the goal and be able to hit my shots when I shoot. So I'm gonna have to move these out the way, cause right now I be hooping and I put my hair up like this, be like looking like this, and that don't look good. That don't look good. If I had a normal cut, like I could see normally, dreads wouldn't be in my face or nothing like that. So I have to change it up for the one time. I'm about to head to the barbershop soon, so we're gonna see the results, man. We're gonna see the results. So I'll catch y'all in a few. I was editing the video and I forgot to put photos of my dreads, so I'm about to show y'all right now. All right, let's get back into it. It's go time. It's go time. Just arrived. It's go time.
I ain't ready yet, man.
Okay, I'm still gonna start it though.
You go ahead and get started, man. I'll be right back. Hey, if you ain't put the 20 right here, you know what you do? On the board. There you go on the board. Get him on.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no!
I said she too loud when she moans.
Hell no!
Just got back to the crib. Man, I feel like a new person right now. My hair froed out right now, I can't lie, but I feel like I still look good. Still look good. You can see my face now. Glee. You feel me? Hold up. I got a bag of my dreads too. I'm about to show y'all in a sec. Oh, look at all them shits, bro. Damn. All them in here. I'm about to. Alright, so I'm finna go take a shower, but here's some clips of me with dreads. Yeah. The boy was clean, I can't lie. The boy was clean. With the dreads, shit, it was fun though. But I'm finna go hop in the shower real quick, put a do-rag on, and let's see. I'm gonna miss my dreads, man. I'm gonna miss them. But you know, it's curly head Darian now. Dreadhead D no more. Dreadhead D no more. Man, that's crazy. I had them Jones for like 2 years, maybe more to be honest. I didn't keep track. But, damn. I really had them for a long time, bro. A long time. So I had some good memories with them. Some good memories. But, yeah. So I hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe. Your boy Light Skin HD is out. Peace.
Flooded with no hundreds.